Hi, I'm Lucas with Jurassic Pork, and today we're going to be smoking baby back ribs on the pit rail smoker. Today we're using Boar's Night Out White Lightning on this rib. Nice touch of seasoning there.
Just a touch of seasoning? Let's go a little more.
Okay.
Season that baby up. Don't be shy.
No.
Get it up here. That'll work. Alright, we're also going to be using Honey Hog Barbecue by Meat Church as well. Go ahead and get both these things. Usually we would use a binder on them, but
my dad's good at seasoning.
I've seasoned a little more than you have.
Well, you're older than me.
Yes, I am. There we go.
I like the white on the baby pork rib.
Alright, we'll let those things sweat in a little bit, then we're going to get the hooks in them, and hopefully this will be ashed over and we can start getting these things cooking. These hooks are really nice to put in. Usually you go down 2 or 3 ribs on them and start hanging from there. Just want to make sure you got it, you know, your rebar is going to sit right in here, so you got it right up to the rebar there. So real easy to do. Sometimes you can grab the rib and do it, other times you can just simply poke it right through and it's going to work great, just like those two did. Alright, we basically got this ashed right over where I want it. We'll go ahead and throw this in here. I am using some Weber mesquite wood today. Some Weber mesquite wood to smoke with. Go ahead and throw some chunks on there. Sometimes people just have this basket in there already, but I have a hook from one of my fire pits that I can just drop it in. That way I don't lose any other charcoal on the sides of the burn basket there. So now that we got that in, we'll get the rebar in and we will get our ribs hung. Here's one with the white lightning. And there's our Meat Church. Alright, perfect. I'm going to come back, check on these things about hour and a half, 2 hours. I'm expecting the cook to be about 2.5 hours or so. So we'll be out after a while. Ready to check these ribs?
Yep. Ooh, look at the smoke coming out of there.
I know. Let's go ahead and get a temp check on them.
Don't burn your hand.
I won't.
Okay.
180. Yeah, both the same. Both are sitting in 180s. Not too much longer, buddy.
Okay. We're having enough for dinner tonight, so we'll see you at the taste test.
Alright, let's go ahead and give these a check again. Oh, I see some nice pullback in there. Gosh, those things are tender. Extremely tender. Yeah, everywhere you poke on those. Let's go ahead and get those out. Those look great. Alright, bring you over and get a look at them. They're looking pretty dang good. There they are, fresh off the smoker. You can see the moisture on them just sitting there. So we're going to go ahead and get those hooks out and give them a cut. Alright, I went ahead and cut one out of there already, and you can take a look there and you can see that moisture in there. Nice smoke ring on that. Those things are going to be very good. Let them cool off a little bit, and Lucas is itching to do a taste test here.
Remember, this is Jurassic pork, and I'm about to do this taste test. My dad knows how to smoke some ribs. One of the best ribs I ever had. I've been eating these ribs since I was 2 or 3. Like, share, subscribe. This is Jurassic pork. God bless you.